Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on saving radio channels to favorites on the Nissan Qashqai. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. You can save radio channels to favorites so that you can get to the channel by just tapping the channel name, rather than having to scan through the channels each time. Follow the steps to learn how to save radio channels on the Nissan Qashqai. Scan through the channels until you find the channel that you would like to add to the presets. When the radio station is playing, hold your finger down on the preset number that you would like that channel to be. You will hear a beep to let you know that the channel has been saved to that preset. You can save up to 12 channel presets. You can replace presets with other channels in the same way as adding a preset. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Nissan Qashqai tips and tricks.